Hello, this is Jacob and welcome to a microphone tutorial video. So, if you guys was a subscriber for my channel for a bit, you'll know that I have a problem where you'll hear this sound. But I'm going to tell you how to get rid of it without enhancements. Alright, so go to recording devices. Go to your microphone. Mine is a headphone one, so I have a microphone on my headphone. So, um, go to properties. See, I don't have enhancements, alright? Only have disable all the sound effects. So, go to levels, and you see microphone boost, alright? That has to be set to 0. So if I turn this up right now and my up here, you'll hear the psh sound very loudly. So I'm gonna show you guys that. Hear that sound, guys? That is very bad. So yeah, turn it back down to 0. And I suggest to turn your microphone down till you can't hear the psh sound anymore. And just press OK, guys. That's all you need to do. You don't need no Audacity. You don't need any sound program. You just need to do what I just did. Alright, guys? So, if you enjoyed this video and this was very helpful to you, let's have for 5 likes, alright? Anyways, I'd like to thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all later. Bye.